How to fix card not working on PS5 or PS4. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about fixing a non-functional card on your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4, which is a task that can be accomplished with a relative ease. So in that forthcoming discourse, I shall provide you with a comprehensive guidance on how to rectify this specific issue. You should find that your card is not functioning as expected on your PS5. It is imperative to consider a multiple of potential causes. Firstly, it is crucial to double check the accuracy of the information that you have provided. Confirm that your debit, gift, or credit card poses an adequate balance for the transaction. These factors should not be the root of your problem. It is plausible that the issue lies in the activation process of the gift card. So, to address this matter effectively, it is recommended that you return this gift card to the vendor and request its activation. They will be equipped to offer the necessary support in this regard. So, this encapsulates the entirety of the solution. I trust that you will discover this guidance. You will discover this guide to be and if the issue persists, please contact your bank card provider to confirm that the payment method has been activated and has available funds and has not been blocked yet. Make sure you have all the security information to hand. So this was all about it. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.